like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost since you left behind here. Decided to turn into a bitch. We used to be lower than them. Anybody that knew us would admit. Then you suddenly switched. Yeah, you suddenly switched. And all of my years I never seen someone corrupted so clean. Lately I'm feeling like I'm being haunted by all of these demons that I got inside of me. Deep in my arteries, don't even know the reason of pathology. Fuck it, I feel like I'm ready to blow up. I'm ready to blow up and call it a rap. Call it a rap. You can have all my shit if it means that I see you, I don't want it back. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. Like fuck that. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost since you left behind here. But now it's R.I.P. because it's over and you're dead to me. You just a memory that I can't break, but I can't shake the ghost since you left behind here. Nobody wants a nigga push up with mine and I had to find a way around it. I ran a couple of miles, couldn't find myself. Don't get fucked up cause it always is. So I drowned in my songs all by myself. On the quiet night, if I'm staring at the ball with the sound loud. I feel like I've been never flown mine. Nigga, tell me what you really know mine. Nigga, I'm insane like a motherfucker trying to find a way. One second they take a plenty of time to answer ridiculous text. I've been giving you really even though I'm really with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I've never helped with nobody respond to my emotions gone. Yeah, they all have been low. My self-esteem left in my confidence gone. I got all of this pain that I did with alone. Loud.
$100 bottle of champagne like me. Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to try to stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Do the people whisper about you on the train like me? Tell you that you shouldn't waste your face like me.
Never kidding myself for a dream, I don't even believe it. It's really entertaining when you give it your all. I put my soul up on the table, all they do is analyze it. I was secrets in the rhymes that I ain't never told nobody. When I started rapping, suicidal thoughts are running rampant through my mind. I made amends, I found a way. I guess I could really make it vivid so they see the clearer picture of depression, panicking. I can't take this shit, my God. Tell me why you put me in for, I'm gone. And I don't wanna live no more, hold on. The pain is temporary,